Hello everyone, this is Vivek, and on this video, we will talk about ChatGPT ads for local businesses of Hereford and Herefordshire across United Kingdom. So this video is on the partnership with Vivek X on Cover SEO, and this video generally covers how we can make most of it for the local businesses inside United Kingdom. So talking about my background, I have started my career with with the SEO. Sanjay bro and I have been working together on SEO, and I have also worked with some of the few UK brands, got them the good result. But right now, since from last 4 months, I have been documenting everything on ChatGPT ads. You can see some of my profile right here. I have been documenting everything around ChatGPT ads. As you can see, like this. Uh, I've been going through and documenting everything, every news, every campaign, every result I made is being documented on social profile. So this is I have been working on currently, and this video particularly shows what's in it for local businesses, especially inside ChatGPT ads. So before going through this whole topic, so let's just understand what exactly are the ChatGPT ads. So let's first understand how ChatGPT ads are going to get show up. So ChatGPT ads work on this basis. First, user gives in the prompt, and then there's the organic results like this, and then ad will show up, which will be clearly level sponsored. Although they have been trying with new ad variant instead of sponsor, but the whole the whole platform will be the same. Means the whole diagram of the how ads going to get show up. It will be same. Again, ChatGPT ads will be highly contextual. So what does that contextual mean? So contextual means it will be relevant to the what user is asking for. So let's say for a reference, here the user is asking about the simple authentic Mexican ideas for the dinner party, and there's the organic response, and after that there's a hot sauce which is relevant to the conversations. Also if I will be asking about the best shampoo for my hair, so that ad will be likely about the shampoo or the conditioner, which will be also highly contextual. So that's how ChatGPT ads exactly works. And this is the ad that we have been seeing recently on how does the ad exactly shows up. So to understand better the platform, let's just compare ChatGPT ads with Meta and Google. So what Meta exactly does is when targeting its user, it uses demographics like of age, location, gender, and language. While on the other hand, Google uses search intent, means we give them the few keywords and then they read the intent and shows ads according to that. But on ChatGPT, it's completely different, because when we are on the Meta, we are ideally on the scrolling mode. On Google, we are in the rush, we want that information so fast, and that's it. But on ChatGPT, the whole ecosystem is based on the chat, is based on the conversation. So here ChatGPT uses context hint to target its user. So again, what are the context hints? So context hints are the conversations, topics, or the keywords where our products or services may be relevant. So these are the hint guide matching, but aren't the exact match targeting rules. So means, so here we have to put in what are the conversations that our dream buyer will likely gonna get under that. So this is how the platform works, and this is completely different from Google and Meta. So let's see uh, why ChatGPT ads for the Hertford and Hertfordshire businesses across United Kingdom. So again, ChatGPT holds UK holds one of the top users with ChatGPT. Almost half of the UK population uses ChatGPT, generating over 86 million daily prompts. 86 million. And for context, right now, ChatGPT has 1 billion plus active users. And for Harvard ChatGPT ads users, it ranks among the one of the UK top cities for the adoption, alongside with the Manchester and United and London. So so let's go to our main topic. What's in it for local businesses, or why ChatGPT ads is one of the key factor for local businesses. So to show ads work means from the perspective of the ChatGPT or the OpenAI had to make sure this channel is a proven, not the promising one. Again, it has come to the point that it has become the proven channel, because is of the early report that come last week from the internal sources that shows that nearly 50% of the ChatGPT ad dismissals have been gone less, means the ads are becoming more and more relevant. And again, 83% of the ChatGPT responses does not trigger on traditional search. Means what the ChatGPT ads exactly does is it creates the buyer intent rather than just capturing the intent. It just tries to create where the buyer is likely gonna get shopping. So again, so recently they have introduced cost per click. This is for the local businesses, means we only have to pay for our dream buyer to get converted. So for targeting, especially for the local businesses, they have introduced cost per click. So what its help is, what is likely going to help is it will help the local businesses to optimize their cost by only paying when the dream buyer is converted. So let's say I run ads inside ChatGPT and I'm the local businesses. So it's likely that the I have the tight budget and not that huge budget like of the big giants. So what I can do is I can run cost per conversions, means I only have to the pay when my service is booked, when my products has been sold. And this is the major step that they have introduced for the local businesses. Again, you might be thinking, if the meta ads are working, if Google SEO is working, mm, if 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 Google ads are working, then why I should invest on ChatGPT ads? I mean, why should I take risks? Because everything is working fine for me, then why should I go with this one? So for context, if you were on back of the early days of Google ads or the Facebook ads, you are likely gonna get into it, right? Because at that time the attention was cheap. People used to get a lot of eyeballs. People used to get a lot of eyeballs with the very few price. And again, the pattern here is same, because right now there's not much people are visiting this space, and this is one of the greatest opportunity of this decade which you guys can't miss around. So again, if you guys have any questions or the queries around this space, then just let me know. I'll try to solve better. And this is the video that I made with the partnership with Uncover SEO. So thank you for your attention.